make a very primitive but effective tool out of it today. So this is one of the oldest primitive tools in a bushcrafter's toolkit, to my understanding. This is the primitive wooden wedge. These three took me about 5 minutes to make with the help of my handy restored hatchet. Today I'm going to talk about what these tools can be used for and the kind of multi-functionality or multi-purposing that this tool is capable of. This can be used as a vise. Notice how there are two of these wedges, one vertically and one horizontally, and it holds the piece of wood that you want to work on very firmly against sort of the Y shape of a tree. So out in the woods, you can actually use this to make a makeshift vise. This is not moving at all. Wedges also makes for a very good spudding tool. You can use it to remove bark in a very, very controlled manner. This is especially useful if you need the bark for building primitive shelters and such, or to make bark containers. You could do the same thing with a baton, but you have nowhere near the same fine-grained control. Alright guys, so today I've probably made the simplest wood or bushcrafting tool there is. That's the primitive wooden wedge. As you can see, this is actually a pretty effective tool for the amount of effort it takes to build it. This is great for splitting logs. You can use it as a vise to keep wood pinned down. You can use this as a highly controllable spudding tool to harvest moss or to harvest bark. And also you can use this as a felling wedge to take down large trees. So all in all, I find this an invaluable tool and definitely something that I'll be keeping in my toolkit.